Hi guys, my name's Paul. Thank you for joining me again. If it's your first time with me, why not subscribe? There's loads of other videos out there, mostly base related, but there's a few other things too. Now let's get on with it. We're doing a 1x10 base cabinet build. We're nearly at the end. The cabinet's built, it's been built for a while, but I'm just putting a few extra touches on it. So what we're going to do today, we've got the cover done. If you haven't seen that, check out the last video. The cover's all there, and we're going to make a little strap that goes round it to help loading and unloading the car. The strap doubles up as another feature. Right at the end of the video I'll show you that. It is also helps for the base stand, which was what I was going to incorporate initially into it. Now to make this stitching strong, what I'm doing is going backwards and forwards over the same part and also doing an X shape across the webbing so that it's really secure all the way across and doesn't come undone. Let's give this a little bit of heat from the blowtorch. It melts the ends because it's made out of nylon. It's not the cotton webbing, it's nylon webbing. Melts the ends and stops it fraying. Now it's at this point I realised the end of it wasn't very neat. I've got the excess webbing right by the side. I didn't want to side up at this point because I don't know if it's the right length or if it needs tensioning or anything like that. So I wanted a little retaining clip. I hadn't got one. I didn't buy one when I bought the funny little clip things. So just got the plastics box out and started to make one. Well, I just made a quick clip. Well, I suppose you call it that. I don't know what you call it really. It's going to go on here, just to stop that flapping around really. So the main purpose of the side handle is just to make it slightly easier to load. You've just got up to the car, lift that, lift the handle and in. I mean, it's easy enough anyway, but it's a bit easier with that. Well, I think that's a success. Now I'm going to show you the other feature. Why I put clips on the handles. Okay, we need to move indoors for that because I need to get my base out.